The antioxidants that people have been hyping up, like resveratrol and some of the others are, they're free radical scavengers as well, but they're sort of superficial. They don't do as much.
Well, the thing that people need to realize is that, yes, you can scavenge free radicals with glutathione and hydrogen and this and that and the other thing. But the better question is, why do you have excess free radical production? And the cause of free radical production in the body is heavy metals, including the transition elements that are nutritional in nature, like iron, which is why, we'll routinely recommend that people go donate blood, because we see that they get iron overloaded. And so, this lack of appreciation for, yes, you can take this antioxidant supplement in order to, improve your recovery from everything from hangovers to exercise to whatever you may happen to you, or you may be afflicting you. But at the end of the day, the root cause of the problem is toxin accumulation within the body, which is getting in the way of optimal metabolic functioning, et cetera, et cetera. And so getting rid of those things by replacing the minerals that those metals are displacing is where we see people getting the most mileage in terms of, achieving optimal health and wellness.
Yeah, exactly. Let's remove the source of the inflammation so that you don't need to remedy yourself to death.
Yeah. And that's, why this is, our goal is really the deepest level of healing possible.